Hello, welcome back to Automobile Engineering. Now today we will discuss about the classification of automobile and vehicle layout and their types. These are the two objectives for today's class. So regarding classification, we can have a classification in two ways. In one where we consider all the parameters of the automobile, that is what is the use, whether it is motorcycle, car, bus, what is the capacity, whether it is heavy transport vehicle or a light transport vehicle or a lorry, whatever may be the capacity of the vehicle, then make of which company the vehicle has been designed and manufactured, Maruti, Honda or Bajaj. Which is the model, whether this model is Jain or Hyundai i10 or any other. Then on which fuel this vehicle is running, whether it is a petrol, diesel or CNG, or nowadays we can it called as a electric vehicle. Then wheels, whether the vehicle is two-wheeler, three-wheeler or a four-wheeler, where the drive is left-hand drive or front wheel drive or rear wheel drive. Then in another way, on the same basis, the classification is made, that is purpose, whether it is passenger car or goods carrier. Fuel use, we have discussed that. Fuel use, petrol, diesel, gas, electric, steam, which nowadays steam is not used. Whether the capacity, heavy motor vehicle or light motor vehicle or heavy transport vehicle or light LMV, light motor vehicle. Then construction, single unit, or it is articulated, whether the trailer or tractor like trailer is attached to the vehicle. Which drive is driving, left hand drive or right hand drive, because in some countries where we'll find that the left hand drive vehicles are also manufactured. The number of wheels, two-wheeler, three-wheeler or a four-wheeler. On the basis of the body also it can be classified, whether it is hatchback, sedan or convertible or station wagon or like other special purpose vehicles. So some of the pictures which can clear your idea which type of car is hatchback car, sedan car, SUV. These cars you can observe on the road, whether minivan, this type of vehicles are running on the road. So we can classify on that basis. Now, what are the vehicle layout types? How the vehicle layout types are? There are four types of vehicle layout types: four-wheel drive layout, front engine rear wheel drive, rear engine rear wheel drive, front engine front wheel drive. Now we'll discuss one by one. Suppose these are the pictures where in first picture you can observe that it is a rear wheel drive, wherein the engine is on the front side and there is a transmission line in between, that is called transmission shaft. Through that transmission shaft, power is transferred from engine to wheels. Which wheels? Rear wheels. Now another type, front wheel drive, where the engine and transmission both are on the front side, so it is called as front wheel drive. All the four wheelers which will see on the running on the road are of front wheel drive, where the engine is on the front side and the drive is also on the front side, where the transmission is called as transaxle drive. Now in some of the vehicles you will find that the drive is given to all four wheels, that is called four-wheel drive. So on the right side you can find the engine is on the front side. There are two transmission drives, one is rear differential drive and front differential drive through the transfer case. There is a transfer case, gearbox is there. Through that gearbox the power is transmitted to front wheel drive, and at the same time the power is transmitted to rear wheel drive also. This type of vehicle you will find in the military applications where the off-road vehicles needs all four wheel drive because power is given to all drive. What is drive? Drive is nothing but the wheels to which are connected to your engine. Now here is one on the left hand side, you will find that the rear engine and rear wheel drive. The best example of this type of vehicle is the Nano, in which the engine is also on the rear side and the drive is also on the rear side. So this type of vehicles are good as far as the hilly area is concerned because it is very easy to push than the pull, because all the cars they are running on the pulling criteria because the drive is given on the front wheel. But in the Nano, though the engine capacity was less, but the Nano was good vehicle for the climbing hilly area. That's why it was successful vehicle. Now I will show one video, which video you can play.
Nearly 100 years ago, cars had 2 or 3-speed manual transmissions that required an expert hand to operate smoothly. They were noisy, rudimentary systems compared to today's modern powertrain and transmission systems. The vehicle's powertrain and transmission system transmits engine power to the vehicle wheels. It provides for multiplication of engine torque or twisting force to accelerate the vehicle from a stop or for carrying heavy elements casing trucks. The system also allows for engine speed reduction to save fuel and reduce noise. Key components of the system include a transmission or transaxle, a transfer case and four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, a propeller shaft to drive the rear axle, drive axles to drive the wheels, a clutch for manual shift, and a torque converter for automatic shift. The various components are subject to wear and may malfunction. This can cause abnormal noise, loss of drive or gear ratio, vibration, or other drivability concerns. This may also be accompanied by illuminated or flashing check engine light or a gear range indicator. Ignoring an indicator light can further damage the system or other components. Visit your local AC Delco service center for expert service and quality parts.
Okay, thank you. Hope you enjoyed the lecture and learning. Thank you.